How to fix Samsung A36 Twitter lags. So let's start the video. First of all, update your Twitter. For update your Twitter, open Play Store and search here X. If you have any update, then you can see the option update. Now click on update, and after update your Twitter, then go back to your home screen and open settings. In settings, click on software update, and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After updating a latest version, then go back and click on apps, and then scroll down and find Twitter. Now click on X and then click on storage. Now here you can clear the cache memory and data of your Twitter. After clear the data and cache memory, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on general management. Now click on reset, and here you can see the option factory data reset. Now click on it and then click on reset. It will reset your all data in your device. So after the factory data reset, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.